Alright, so I got the 13, which has become my driving camera now, and I've already noticed one amazing difference between this is the 12 and the 13, and that is whenever I turn on the camera in this angle, I can't even see. Oh, I can't even keep it. Whenever I turn it at this angle, it's always upside down on the 12, but the 13 it's not. So if I turn the 13 on at about this angle, because now the 12 has become my necklace cam, so I can't really prop it up, but I can kind of measure the similar angle. I'll put this in front, so it's about the same angle, and it's going to be upside down. Yep, look at that, it's upside down again. I mean, I could turn it, but I want to record straight from this angle, and it'll stay in the upside down position the whole time. Even if I drop it down, it stays fixed for the 12. But the 13, every time now, it's actually right, and it doesn't give me the warning about being in the lens mod 2, which is kind of nice. But that's a difference in technology. That's a big difference for me, just in my experiences with between the 12 and the 13 now. It's upside down again on the 12, and the warning about the lens mod. Just a little bit. There you go. It goes back to normal. But the 13 stays the same. And the reason I gotta do that is because I'm an ultra wide, the widest setting, and I don't want to record the bottom of the dashboard. I want everything in here. Not if I actually had it like just kind of sitting just straight with as wide as it all is. Look at all the dashboard I pick up. I don't want that. I got all this dashboard, so I want to flip it up until the dashboard is out, and it won't turn upside down on me, which is pretty cool. So it's worth the money just for that. Well, not quite worth the money for that. There's other good features to it, but that's, one of the differences that nobody's talking about, how it just likes to subtly flip upside down on the 12 all the time, like that. Just on that subtle, this type of angle, just that type of angle.